Welcome.
Prev from Swollen Members joining us right now, and we're going to talk about music in a second, but what is this?
So this is called the Prevail from the Brewmasters. It was a cross collaboration actually between the Brewmaster from Phillips and the Brewmaster from Central City. For Vancouver Craft Beer Week, it's the feature charity beer of the week. The second time that I've been able to do it, first time was a couple years ago with Red Truck for a different charity for the Chelsea Steins Foundation, but this year it all goes to Music Heals. So $1 every bottle, $1 every pint, and you can find it almost all over the city.
Talk a little bit more about Music Heals and just how much of an impact this particular charity has on those who really otherwise would find themselves stuck. Music saves.
Sure, yeah, it really does. I've been very proud to be an ambassador for the charity for the last couple of years. And what we do is really cool. We enable the music therapists who already have obviously a great relationship with their patients on how we can enable them and empower them to get not only instruments in their hands, but we also have a mobile unit that goes around children's hospitals, so children that are unable to get out of bed can make music bedside, record it right there, and have that audio there right for them. Also, women's shelters, HIV/AIDS patients, so a wide diagram of what we're able to do, and the extension is just getting better and better every year.
I wasn't aware about the shelters and the AIDS patients as well. That's phenomenal.
It's a pretty wide program.
Easy to give.
And you've got the beer so we can support a great cause with it.
Yes.
What would you say is the greatest fan impact? Is there a story that stands out to you with people that have loved your music over the years with Swollen Members?
Well, heralding again back to Children's Hospital, something that was very deep felt. A girl, she was about 8 or 9 at the time, very suddenly just got cancer, tongue and throat cancer, and one of her last requests was to meet Swollen Members. So Moke and I flew out to Edmonton and met with her, and met with her, and it was very trying but very eye-opening as to the effects. Her parents wrote us a beautiful, very kind-hearted letter saying that visit actually gave her quite a few more months. So she did end up passing away, but it was you could sort of see the light go on in her eyes, and it was very emotional and very touching. But you can see the power that music has and that visitation has. So I'm very, again, proud to be part of Music Heals.
You made that wish come true.
Sure.
Okay, so Vancouver Craft Beer Week, you get Prevail. We're going to taste it here. $1 from every bottle goes to Music Heals. This is an easy way to gather your group together and make a difference in the community in such a beautiful way. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
And we're going to taste it.
And
we were warned it's 7%. He's like, don't take the big gulp.
All right. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Thank you for all
Thanks for doing it, Brett.
Thank you.
Michelle, over to you.
Yeah, just like Jody said, it's easy to give. And I'm liking Prevail's boutonniere there, Riaz.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
I think, Riaz, you got to get on board with that.
I'm taking notes. Okay, because Prevail did this today. I'll do it tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, it does.
Boutonniere's on BT. He started it.
There
He
you
started
go.
it.
There
We'll
you
continue
go.
it.
This looks like a little pie.
A little pie. Ooh, who's going to get it in the face? We'll find out later. Stay tuned. All right, thanks, guys. There it is. Close up.
Close up.
Ooh.